Hey everyone, this is Tyler here from Big Lakes Dodge. Today we're going to be taking a look at this used 2023 Ford Escape Hybrid. It's platinum all-wheel drive hybrid electric vehicle. 5-passenger seating. It's a 2.5 liter engine and it's a hybrid as well, so it has a eCVT transmission. It's got the active grille shutters on the front there. It's got auto high beams, dual exhaust tips, LED fog lamps, headlamps, and tail lamps.
Service line 1, please.
The mirrors are fold, power, and heated. You got privacy glass in the rear here. And you got roof rails on top, and you also got your camera right there. Comes with a nice little hitch. Now, you wouldn't even be able to tell right now that it's on because it's the hybrid engine running it. But let me go show you around here. I think this color is called Cinnabar Red Metallic. All right, let's hop on the passenger side. We'll show you a little bit on the inside. Got some nice storage here. Contrasting materials, double stitching right there. Your locks, your one-touch windows. One touch. Got some nice little mattings on the bottom. Power seats right here. Got a nice little mesh screen so you can store some stuff. Got all your owner's manual and necessary information in there. And then in the back here, kind of the same deal. Got a little cup holder, tiny little storage spot. And then you got a little map holder in the back of the seat. You got little USB charger port plugins down there. Cup holders right here. Hold on, let me grab that. Cup holders right there. And then all the while, you can just pop this. And you can have some more room. I'll leave that down so I can show you some more later. And then you got the key here. Got sensors down here, so you got little notifications when you get too close to something. And then with this button right here, that hatch with the 2 times. Lots of room in here. And then you just pull this out. And you got your spare tire, your jack, your funnel. And then you just hit this button right here to close it. Nice color. And then you got your cup holders. And then you can pop this down here as well. And then you got the whole room back there. All of it. Got your blind spot monitoring system here. So this will illuminate. I don't know if you can really see it. You click it, there you go. It illuminates when it's back here. Someone's in your blind spot and you can't see because of this thing. It always helps out. Got your memory seat settings, your locks, your windows, your power mirrors, your locking windows, lumbar control, power seats. You got all the stuff here. Your hatch. You can unlock your gas cap. Tilting and telescoping steering wheel. Alright, let's hop in and I'll show you a little bit more on the inside. Now that we're in the driver's seat here, like if you're in here by yourself like me, you can't even hear the engine because it's on the hybrid. It's running out of batteries. It's so quiet. It's got the adaptive cruise control, and then you can adjust your spacing with that button right here. Got your voice recognition, your steering wheel mounted audio controls. And then, okay, and then it shows you your PSI, your EV coach, all that stuff, your trip, calm screen, then it turns everything down. It would be good for when you're driving at night. And then right here, you got a nice little center console, a lot of storage, nice wood grain finish it looks like here. And then this is how you turn on your engine. And if you want to switch to the actual engine rather than the batteries. Then you got a wireless charging pad right there. 12 volt DC plug-in, USB-C and USB plugins. Then there's your start button, volume control, and then all that stuff. And you can choose your drive modes, and that switches that up here. And then you got heated seats, a heated steering wheel, and then we'll go here. You got the navigation, so you can see your navigation scroll around. Shows you how much electric you got left, all your total kilometers, and then all your features, drive modes, driver assistance, towing, power flow, idling right now. It's running on a battery. That looks pretty cool. And then you got your apps. You can download mobile apps. You got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And then you also got this panoramic sunroof up here. And then you just use the put that all the way back. And then you just use this button right here. Put it all the way back. So the kitties in the back can see the moon. And then you just hit this button right here and open up the whole sunroof. Give it a little extra inch. And you got your sunglasses holder. Got all your stuff, your vanity mirror with the lights for the honeys, and your wife. We even got the vanity mirrors here as well. Alright everyone, if you like this Ford Escape, this 2023 hybrid, come stop in Big Lakes Dodge, book a test drive, or give us a call. You can reach us at 780-523-5007. Thank you. Have a good day.